Hi everyone, welcome back to the Excel for Beginners course. In today's lesson, we're going to explore how to customize your Excel workspace for better productivity.
Let's get started.
First, let's understand the main areas in Excel. At the very top, you'll see the ribbon. This is the toolbar that contains all the formatting and data tools you'll use regularly. Next is the formula bar, where you can enter and edit data and formulas. This is where you type your functions, and it displays the content of the active cell. Below that, you'll see the sheet tabs. These show which sheet you're working on and allow you to switch between them. Now let's see how to customize the workspace to focus better on your data. First, go to the View tab. Here, you can hide grid lines and headings by unchecking the options for grid lines and headings. This helps you focus more on the data itself rather than the Excel interface. To bring them back, just go to the same place and check the boxes again. Next, let's split the view. Go to View, Split. This divides your sheet into multiple sections, allowing you to view different parts of your data at the same time. If you want to remove the split, simply go back to View and uncheck the option. Now let's talk about freezing panes. If you want to keep a row or column visible while scrolling, go to View, Freeze Panes. This is super helpful when working with large datasets. Finally, you can open a new window from the View tab to compare two sheets side by side. This is great for cross-referencing data or working on multiple sheets at the same time. These simple customization techniques can make your Excel experience much more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to download the practice file from the link below so you can follow along. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Excel tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions.